Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be making a beverage for you called a simple mix of water with a twist. And so water with a twist to me is just a great way that's low calorie and to kind of spice up our water a little bit. And so today what I'm going to be using is fresh spearmint from the Common Thread CSA in Madison County. And then I'm going to use orange slices. So the first thing is I have my fresh spearmint leaves with some cold water. And as I'm making this beverage, it's kind of funny because I'm kind of reminiscing a little bit when I was a kid. This is actually my grandfather's, and when he passed away, I got it. So it's kind of just nice bringing back some memories. So I'm going to add in my fresh spearmint leaves right to my water. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is squeeze half of my orange so you get that juice in there. Okay. And then the other half here is I'm going to do some slices, and the slices I like just for presentation and then also just as it's setting. And so when we're making any type of water with a twist, if you make this ahead of time and just let those flavors sit, it'll give it a really, really nice flavor. Okay, and I'm going to stick those orange slices right in there. And you can do this with any fruit that you want. I've done it before with mint. I've done it with cucumbers. My personal favorite is with oranges. I think orange water is just a fabulous, fabulous flavor. And so this is what it looks like in the end. And just let it get chilled for a little bit. And so even if you chill it for a couple hours, that flavor will sit in there. And the nice thing is about this is you're not adding any extra calories, and it's just a great way to have a refreshing summertime beverage. So I hope everybody enjoys this. Have a great day, guys.